Let's get to the point. Your time is valuable. You should do what you enjoy and cut down on the small irritating time losses. If you are working with 3D data such as point clouds, then you may have encountered difficulty to easily store the data, process it, and access it later on. Processing, archiving, collaborating and visualizing are core components of 3D data analysis, but are often time symmetry, with large waiting time for copy-paste operations, access rights, server problems, laggy visualization, and the list goes on. In 2014, we created Flyvast. Its main goal is to give you a very simple solution to manage all your point cloud data, 3D models and information from everywhere in the world with instant access. You can store and archive safely all your data without worrying about maintenance cost and loss of information. You can access your data from any connected device, and your data is yours, fully downloadable in open formats. You even have access to fully automated modules such as semantics extraction or the automatic creation of cuts and section. But most importantly, it is a new means to collaborate in real time with the direct management of actions, rights and versioning on top of a shared 3D map. Flyvast is much more than a simple point cloud processing service on the cloud. It fosters the idea that true collaboration is key to any success story, but it has to be simple, quick and efficient. See you soon on flyvast.com.